वो कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं ना, मैं एक कंपैरिजन देता हूँ. लेट अस टेक दिस बैटल, कसाब एंड तुकाराम ओम्बले, राइट. तुकाराम ओम्बले ने कसाब को पकड़ा, मैंने बताया. हु इज कसाब? कसाब चोजन वन फ्रॉम, जो उसको सेलेक्ट किया गया होगा, ट्रेन्ड टू बी अ हार्डकोर फिदाइन फॉर 2 years, given the best of the training. Prime of his youth, he was, I think, 21 years old. Prime of his youth and physical health, right? Mentally, he was getting into this battle for past 2 years. Physically, he was into this battle for past many hours, since the time he shot the first bullet on CSMT railway station, right?
जी.
And now, who is Tukaram Omble? Older than Kasab's father. Had a bit of punch, not in the best of physical health. Mentally, he is still not into the battle, because all that he knew is that these two terrorists in the car have been shot dead. Because कसाब के साथ इस्माइल खान बैठा था, उसके तो लगी थी, तो वो तो गिर ही गया था. एंड क्योंकि सामने से जब गोलियां चलती तो शीशे क्रैक से हो जाते हैं ना, यू कांट सी क्लियरली. तो कसाब ऑल्सो डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू, सो ही वाज आल्सो फीलिंग एज इफ ही इज डेड. ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था को ड्राइवर सीट पे. तो Tukaram Amble was moving ahead with the belief that I got to simply open the door of the car and pick up a dead body. He was not meant into the mindset that I'm going to have a battle there. ऐसा होता तो डंडा लेके थोड़े आगे बढ़ता. He was fully confident कि मुझे खोलना है और डेड बॉडी बाहर निकालनी है. So only when he opens the door and Kasab, who was lying like this, he picks up the gun and puts into his छाती पर लगा देता है and starts firing. That Tukaram knows I am into a battle. Comparison की बात करें, I am now giving some real comparison. Now Kasab is sitting on the co-driver seat firmly, नीचे बैठा हुआ है, holding the gun from where it's supposed to be held in the pistol grip and the butt grip. Tukaram Omble, bullets getting pumped into him, holding the weapon from the barrel. It must be red hot, let me tell you. एंड सिंपल फिजिक्स कहता है, दो आदमी खींचतान कर रहे हैं तो नीचे वाला बंदा एडवांटेज में होता है, वो ऊपर बैठा है. विद ऑल दिस डिस्पैरिटी, Tukaram Omble manages to snatch the weapon from him. That is what is the power of an ordinary भारतीय विद्या. बोध करो इस बात का, ये शक्ति है असाधारण भारतीय की. This is how good we are.